In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another domain to your Wix account. Whether you're expanding your online presence or managing multiple projects, linking an additional domain can be a straightforward process with the right guidance. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Wix account. Just open your browser, head over to the Wix website, and input your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all things related to your website. Now, from the dashboard, look for the option labeled Domains. This can usually be found on the left sidebar. In some layouts or versions of the Wix interface, you might see it hiding under an Account or My Account menu, but either way, your goal is to get to the place where all your domain management happens. Once you've navigated to the Domains section, you might be looking to add a domain that you haven't yet linked to Wix. If that's the case, you'll likely see an option that says either Add Existing Domain or something along the lines of Connect a domain you already own. Go ahead and click on this option. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter the name of the domain you wish to add. Be sure to type it in accurately, as a mistyped domain can complicate the connection process. Once you've entered the domain name, the next phase is confirming that you are indeed the owner of the domain you're trying to add. Wix makes this step pretty user-friendly. The platform will provide you with clear instructions on how to verify ownership. Essentially, you have a couple of methods to choose from. You might be asked to change the name servers to those provided by Wix, which effectively tells the internet to direct traffic for your domain through Wix's systems. Think of name servers as the address book of the internet, helping browsers find where a domain lives. Changing them to Wix's ensures that your domain is correctly positioned within your Wix setup. Alternatively, if changing name servers isn't feasible for your particular arrangement, Wix also offers another method: updating DNS records. With this pointing method, you'll keep your original registrar's name servers, but will adjust specific entries so that your domain points to your Wix site. Instructions for the exact records to update, typically the A record and possibly SNAME records, should be clearly provided within Wix's interface. And that's how you add another domain to your Wix account. Wix's process aims to be as user-friendly as possible, but if you ever feel stuck, their support resources or community forums can be a great help. I hope this guide makes your domain addition seamless and easy. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on making the most of your Wix experience.